Hey, in this video, I'm going to take you through real quick my process for starting an instructional video. So here I'm already at the website for Screencast-o-matic, which we went over in the session. And I'm also at the website for Classkick. So all I would do is I would log into Classkick and just make sure this is ready to go. And if this is your first time at Classkick or any sort of whiteboard, you're going to have to sign up. You can just do it with Google. I'll use this account here. And then I'm just going to hit this little plus button. I'm going to hit a new blank assignment. If you have something that's a PDF or something you've already created, you're welcome to upload it, and then you can write all over it, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to hit new blank assignment, and I'm going to title it whatever I'm working on. And what am I working on right now? Okay, compound probability and independence. So I'm working on compound probability, and independence video. Perfect. So I type that out. We're good to go. I go into the first slide, and I like to do this, I don't know why, I've just always kind of done this like peach color background or whatever that is. And I make this just the opening slide where I give the title. So compound probability and independence. And then I would put the learning targets here. So I have to kind of finish this lesson first before I do the learning targets, but I wanted to make this little video here just showing my process as I'm doing a video soon. Okay, so I put my learning targets there, and then you can go to the next slide. And then for my videos, I use this green background. You don't need a background. You can use any of these backgrounds. All these come free with Classkick, so whatever you'd like to do. And then to add content, I just use the packet that I was creating, and then I use that snip tool. Okay, so get rid of this, and then open up snip tool. I'm just gonna hit new. I'm just gonna snip tool this piece right here. This will kind of open up this whole lesson for me. Okay, just paste that in. It's just as easy as Control V, and it pops it right in there, no issues. And then you can resize it, do whatever you need to do. All right, and then from here, I would go to Screencast-o-matic, and I would launch the free recorder. So actually I wouldn't have Screencast-o-matic on the screen that I'm recording, so I'm gonna move this over to my other monitor. I'm gonna launch my free recorder, and it pops up right here. Before I start recording, I like to hit F11. I don't do this every time, I do it as often as I can remember. So if I hit F11, it makes the screen full screen, so that way you're really focusing in on just the presentation. And then I would just hit record. It counts you down, and you start. So, hey, Mr. Kurtz here. Welcome to the Compound Probability and Independence video. So after this video or this lesson, here are the learning targets you'll be able to do. It's pretty much how I start everything off. It's nice and systematic. I don't have my learning targets here yet, but I blah, blah, blah. Now we go here. So let's talk about compound probability rules for independent events. And then once I'm here on the tablet that I have, I can go ahead and just write all over the screen. And if I'm writing on my tablet, it will show up here. So of course my tablet's taking its sweet time to load. All this would obviously be ready. So go here to my tablet, and when I need to do notes, I just write here. So whatever I write on my tablet shows up. And that's all I do. That's it. Finish it up. Just hit pause. If I make a mistake, you can hit anywhere where you made the mistake. Hit this little button here. It kind of truncates it, and it starts right where you made the mistake, and you can kind of go from there. So you can, check it out. Let's see. All this would obviously be ready. Okay, the video's working. That's all. When you're done, you just hit done, save and upload. I just save it to my computer, and then I would go ahead and I'd put these up on Google Drive. I do go over that a little bit in the session video. I just wanted to use this to show more Classkick and Screencast-o-matic. All right, so it's an awesome tool. Highly recommend using it. You'll have a lot of fun. It's kind of addicting. So yeah, until next time, happy teaching.